It is, it's Saturday, it's the weekend, and, I have been up for a little bit, but, just been lounging around watching some YouTube videos or editing for that entire period of time. I've gotten, some coffee, some water here, and, it's about time for me to be getting up and around. Got a busy day today, going to be, meeting up with Victoria and having a cool little date day with her, and yeah, we've got quite the day planned. I need to be getting up and around for that, and I look like a bum, so gotta be changing that. Getting up and around right now. The video is uploading. I have gotten all dressed and around. I did play a little bit of video games this morning, to be honest. Probably about an hour, which I'm just now ready, and I think... Hi! Look who's here! Hi! You look so good.
Thank you, so good.
Thank you. Alright, well, we are on the road, and we got some food. Victoria is currently in the middle of a bite. So, Victoria, explain what's going on.
Okay, so we're driving to South Bend to go to South Bend Chocolate Company and tour their factory, the inside scoop tour, only for Wonkers, I think is what it said.
Yeah. Wannabe Wonkas. Wonka. Yeah.
Something like that. So anyway, that'll be fun. And then we're going to drive to Huntington and go to 2 E's Winery for dinner and wine tasting.
What is all this for?
Your 7-month late birthday present.
That's hilarious.
Okay, I gave it to you on time. We just never took the trip on time.
That's okay. We got busy.
Yep.
But we're doing it now.
Yeah.
So here we go. Driving on to South Bend now. We gotta cut down some time because we're running a little late, as per usual. Quarter mile. We need to get there. Where are you, Chocolate Factory? I'm hungry for the cocoa.
Your destination is on the left.
Here it is. Alright, let's get out of my way. Alright, we are here. We need to run on in and get all signed up here. It's a tight squeeze. Alright, here we go.
Let's go.
You ready?
Let's go. Yes.
Alright. We get a solo tour.
Can we?
Yeah. She told him that there wasn't a tour, and so now when we came in, there is a tour. But we got our golden tickets. We're ready for our tour now. We're gonna get are you gonna turn into the blueberry? What?
No, you're wearing the
How are you guys today?
No, you didn't. Stop. I'm doing just fine.
That's an almost perfect spoon. I would sell that in the almost perfect section for half off. What's your name?
That's not Victoria.
Vicky.
Good job. How was the tour?
It was fun.
Yeah,
Did you
it was
like it?
interesting.
Yeah, it was.
It was definitely interesting. Oh, hey, we got. What about our spoons?
He said he'll meet us by the spoons
Oh,
when we're done.
nice.
And when we get to keep our golden tickets.
Yay! They don't take them like they do in the movie. Don't they take them in the movie?
Yeah.
Hey, do you love chocolate that much?
Like 2 of those.
Oh. You want to spend $2 grand on chocolate? Or you want me to spend $2 grand on chocolate? You be a nutcracker.
I'm not good at that.
Oh. Look at that sun. Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Alright, we are nearly there, right?
4 minutes.
About 4 minutes out, and we're gonna go do our wine thing. How much, Victoria drinks a lot more wine than I do, but I have had exposure throughout my life because of my dad. So we'll see who the connoisseur of wine is out of the two of us. I don't know. We'll see. Oh yes. Oh, it smells great out here. Preparing for the wine.
Where do we sit?
I don't know. Let's just, you wanna go to 10? 10 looks open. Go ahead, I'll follow you. Man, it's warm over here. What is yours?
The Korean barbecue.
Nachos?
Something.
Chips, but basically like a nacho style with homemade chips, house-made chips. And I got Korean barbecue tacos. Are they good?
Yeah, but I took my picture. Everything. I'm sorry I'm eating, but you took too long. We were just Snapchatting everybody and their brother.
All right, babe. You ready? You ready?
I am.
We got a bottle to go. Woo! Man, it feels so nice out
so
here.
good.
I am way overheated. We got the barrels.
There they are.
Well, we drove on home, and now Victoria is jumping in her car and heading on out. Victoria, it was a fantastic day. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I love you so much, and
I
thank
love
you
you
for
too.
today.
Thank you.
Thank you for the birthday present.
7 months late.
Doesn't matter. Get back, and I'm gaming. That's right, number 1. Done 1. Done 1. Woo! Very happy to have won my first game of Fortnite ever. Well, after a very good day with Victoria, I had a very good end to the day with getting my first Fortnite win, which was fantastic. So that is that. I am going to be getting around for bed here. Getting ready for bed here, going to sleep, and tackling another day. Not as busy tomorrow, though I do still have things going on, so I'm going to be getting around for that. Getting around for bed now, so I'm going to be ending this here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you